Have you ever felt completely paralyzed by a big goal? It's that feeling where you have a mountain to climb, whether it's a massive pile of homework or a dream you've had for 20 years, but you just can't get your feet to move. It feels like laziness, but psychologically it's actually fear. Your brain looks at the size of the task, gets overwhelmed by the pressure, and pulls the emergency brake to keep you safe. But what if I told you the problem isn't that you're not capable? The problem is simply that you are looking too far ahead. We need to stop looking at the summit and start looking at the ground beneath our feet.
Today, we're going to explore the power of taking small steps to achieve big results. Think of it like building a house, one brick at a time. Let's dive in. The problem with overwhelm. Ever find yourself drowning in the sea of your dreams? It's common to feel overwhelmed when faced with colossal goals. The pressure, the stress, it's enough to make anyone want to hit the snooze button on life. But what if I told you there's a way out of this chaos? Understanding overwhelm. Before we conquer our goals, we need to understand what overwhelms us. Is it the fear of failure, the sheer size of the task, or the uncertainty of the journey? Identifying these roadblocks is the first step toward overcoming them. The paralysis of inaction. Often, overwhelm leads to inaction. We become paralyzed by the sheer magnitude of our aspirations. The danger here is not in failing but in never trying at all. So, how do we break free from this cycle? Breaking it down. The secret lies in breaking down those colossal goals into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Let's take a moment to reflect on what needs to be done. Instead of trying to eat the elephant in one go, let's cut it into bite-sized chunks. Example 1. Mastering a new language. Learning a new language, for instance. Instead of overwhelming yourself with the entire vocabulary, start with a few basic phrases. Daily practice of small portions eventually leads to fluency. Small steps, big results. Example 2. Business venture. Dreaming of starting a business? It's not about launching a global empire overnight. Begin with market research, create a solid business plan, and gradually implement it step by step. Each small success builds towards that larger goal. The power of consistency. Consistency is the magic ingredient in this recipe for success. It's not about the speed at which you move, it's about the consistency with which you take those small steps. Remember, slow progress is still progress. Example 1. Fitness journey. Think about fitness goals. Instead of aiming for a drastic transformation in a month, focus on a healthier lifestyle. Consistent workouts and better eating habits, these small, consistent changes lead to remarkable long-term results. Example 2. Writing a book. Instead of stressing over completing it in one go, commit to writing a certain number of words each day. Over time, those small daily efforts will add up, and you'll find yourself with a finished manuscript. Celebrating small wins. Don't forget to celebrate those small wins. Each completed task, no matter how insignificant it may seem, is a step closer to your big goal. Celebrate the milestones, pat yourself on the back, and keep moving forward. The psychology of celebration. Celebrating small wins isn't just about the external acknowledgement, it's about reinforcing positive behaviors in your own mind. The joy and satisfaction from these celebrations become fuel for the journey ahead. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the key to achieving big goals is by taking small, deliberate steps. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. Take a breath, break it down, be consistent, and celebrate those victories along the way. You've got this. I hope you found these insights valuable on your journey to success. Remember, It's not about the size of the leap but the consistency of the steps you take. If you're ready to transform your dreams into reality, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're all on this journey together, and your success matters to us.